Wena wendlo, wena wendlo, bayede, wena wendlo lo pambe kanda kanda, abro chakala uchi kurata, chekule khala, namchamarantera, ubeles, umakucha zalela, umtakandaba, semchuke mkawafula, betuzelethini, betkakusa, betkakbankosi, belamkofu chepeko, yangchamarantera, usojindase, ubenelekana, emibala, umaphela, umaphela, noba insiswa, ebesinikana, engapende besingwe, noba zigunyama, wakujime ngadlelande, ebangalufifi, ekadadamnontathi masibeleni, nani mandebele, nokukandelile, nanabona izinyane, ngelesilo sikandaba, wayihlambe isihanda ngamakhanda amadoda, wathi nomhlabanela, ngewagcwala ifundazwe mfula sonkana, esinye somkhuze, esinye sothukela, nani magunda nahlala ekhotheni, ebakanongoma, gijimana sonkana, nobela bangakezwa, ithi likhululezela nyelela, sifasa endlovu emnyama, ngasobhalula, izoshisa zikhotha, ngeza kwanongoma, inkoncane kandaba, ekhwele phezulu egazini, babethoyise, noyise mkhulu, hawu ngasithanda beyahlola, kanti bona abahlolayo, into lebadingodoma, babheka usulu, imvukuzane kandaba, efungisa ubusuku, ibona omame, ngasemandebeleni, ubheja king there?
Yes.
Yeah? You're not? No, no. Okay.
Let's have a flow now. So c'era lui,
Okay. Okay. You're not king there.
Yeah. No, that's it, guys. I'll remove it.
That's much. The bag. Thanks a lot, guys.
Cha befuna
Ngangayitshela ukuthi ngayithola ngathola sengi
Yes. Tequila. Slow.
wapha ekhanda kamezi ndaba lo mntu wemezi engathi akhala uyalila uthi igula likajama lichithekile ichithwe engqole endala nyaka ithi amalandela ube nesibindi buthelezi ngokuddazalela umntakandaba bemcokofula bethuzele ithini betakubusa betakubankosi dalamgcofa uthepepho nyaka ithi amalandela usodidase inkoncele kandaba edide imibala umaphela wensiswa ophela amadakazulu ephelele ngamandla umaphokopela noba ngayinsiswa ebesinikikana engapende besinkwe noba ezigunyama ogijima engadlelande ebangalufifi ekadadamno ntahle mandebeleni bathi nani mandebele nyokukandelile nanabona izinyane ngelesilo sikandaba wayihlambe izandla ngamakhanda amadoda wathi nomhlabanela ngewagcwala ifundazo mfula zonkana esinye somkhuze esinye sothukela nani magunda nahlala ekhotheni ebakanongoma gijimelana zonkana nobela bangakezwa ithi likhululezela nyelela sifasa endlovu emnyama ngasobhalula izoshisa zikhotha ngezakwanongoma inkoncane kandaba ekhwele phezulu egazini babethoyise noyise mkhulu hawu ngasithanda beyahlola kanti bona bahlolayo into lebadingodonga babheka uzulu imvukuzane kandaba evungisa ubusuku ibona omame ngasemandebeleni ubheja nohlaba kayise phume esiqini mntakandaba kade bekuvalela ungalosini kayagabela kayilingananga nezawuyise babethi baselule zabo kwakuyizigqutsonyana kuphela ezinqulini kanti akhinde ishaye ibhokisi epitoli kwasamaza emisibhotha indloveni ebatha kwabamhlophe belungu umgudu bovu obheke endlunkulu wanongoma yehle indlunkulu enyukanyuka ngebhasi lamatimate yebakasihazini eledwaleduka beyoginqithuphe epitoli bendaba ngeke ukuswa kwakaqini asalwacome sengwayifiyo usayihle komethanwa sibawu suku eduso omntamndaba nyagulelwa ofulatheli bombula bhidlika khulumisuluthuwethu emabhunwini kuzonda ubhuda benokhwashakhwasha belizele sikomntakandaba uyikhipha amakhalana kayisaluswa ngwena sesaluswa indlondlo ngakithwakhetho omthandayo umthundulukwa wavuthwa ngenala endlini kwakathayiza njengombhane evukume ngentaba beyovukudla amadoda nanolebhodo oconsayo socithula umagwaza lona washayiza ququ impeqatho mathanga ethithi obezolomaswabhule lapho kamgilijema yashini wayiqala ngesinqa obesebungele thwele idlolo endlunkulu sidla ngusimagqapha ebasidemanxeba esagudla ayifuna umntakandaba ngesabumbisa ngegama ngoba umuntu abankulu akakazi inkosi lena nyaka ithina leni yashawuda ushampiyoni ngumahleze phwandaba umthele kajama wahlaba usamila wasewela endlunkulu yawadlushiye umveleli kwelipheshiya mzacosi khoma mangwana usejamile mawapheshiya sisizeke mntakandaba uyosiqoqela onkune indidandidane edide izinsuku namuhlo kandaba uyakubuya phesheya uzilokeka nendlunkulu bebhenga kusasa inkosi leni sifike ngayisolo indaba yenziwa nguntolaha ngoba mhlophe belungu wovula imgoqwane yayivale ngamadoda amabili yayivala okuthi usilomhlophe benojeje bushofu ngoba mhlophe belungu izulu leli ebhulubulo ngamazwi abebhule ngamahlahla obasengqokonqoko yakithi magenqa yini nezekethe kulomntakandaba wayiqopheli zakhe ifondabeni ushilizo kwele maholo namhlanje lombhedula uza benonhleke eziganekisweni ugwaji benomasibuko enyangeni zasosuthu zobabhulela umhlehlo sibanuka igube selimthele kandaba edleshisa phathwe indaba embili kwele masilo elimasilonyana kwela seflestata wathuma thumukanyekenye obezolacebe phathi ngelakithi lobhu besema yashini halidlante basepitoli leliphelezelo minister sodaha igugelihle hewolikakekana phambe esibuka ngabula ukuka wakhe kuphekela umhlahlandlela amakhosi akompande akocetshwayo bethi mntakandaba unyawuzinhle ezakho ingangekhethi imabala zanyathela phakazinyathele khona spoti samethuwe sengaphakathi eswazini samkhethela ingane zakalobamba zalithatha ndaba nakumqamelo wakho soqamela ngawo njenaleni unopunyepunye kuzabantu sengahle bende yabe siyaphunyula oyise babevalela ngamahlahla bethi mntakandaba usungalolu phongolo wevudayise ngesizwe thako selengakhona kwela kwangwana hlangana amakhosi wena wendlovu wena wendlovu ayede
Hallelujah. ngiyabingelela igama lami nginguthabiso ngingwakwaQwabe ngikhona nje mhlambe phakathi kuthweni uqhuba mhlambe lolu uhlelo olubaluleke kangaka wewe by Sivananda World Peace Foundation together with Zululand Yacht Club host the second memorial sale passed in honor of our king Zwelithini Goodwill kaBhekuzulu kuhlonishwa komdlokombane ngalolu suku besocela ubaba uprofessor uXulu azosivulela ngomkhuleko.
Mamchiza Dlunkulu besizwe sakithi baba uIshwa Ramlashmena akasafuna ukubizwa kanjalo uMabheka umZulu waseNdiya ngizoqala nje mhlambe singakakhuleki sibonga amabutho sibonge nohambo esesibe nalo ekseni nje sikhumbula isilo sethu uMdlokombane owakhothama mhla ka-12 March 2021 kwakungathi singababhubhayo sonke ngaleso sikhathi kwakungathi sise exile sonke ngaleso sikhathi kwakungathi sithathiwe ezweni lakithi sayolahlwa phakathi nolwandle thina sonke Zulu neSouth Africa yonkana nezwe lonkana kaze ngisizwe isililo esingaka sasiqhamuka koLondon wonke amakhosi ase-UAE amakhosi ase-America ama-American Indians amakhosi akhona kukhala wonke umhlaba ngesilo sethu kodwa namhlanje sifana naba sekuthokozeni ukuthi i-exile yethu iyedlulile saba kulesimo esikusona ukukhumbula ke is part of our heritage siyathokoza masibona intombi zakithi zihlobile sibona amabutho akithi ehlobile is part of our heritage inheritance esayithola kuMdlokombane for over 49 years angelinganiso nalutho isilo sasibuse isikhathi sasicishe sibe ngako kwakuyisilo umpande sasibuse 32 years kodwa uMdlokombane uNkulunkulu wayethi nje uzomshayisa ngisho no 49 years 50 years bethi ke uMdlokombane kayikubusa kayibankosi kodwa siyazi ukuthi ubukhosi bakwaZulu baphakama kangakanani ngenxa yakhe eBhayibhelini ke uNehemia uthi masisukume sakhe ngoba uma bebuye exile sebebuyela eJerusalem kwafuna ukuthi baqale phansi bakhe izingange zeJerusalem so an event like this sakha kabusha ubukhosi bakithi kwaZulu kwa iZulu kingdom kube iZulu nation kube iZulu monarch kube iZulu monarchy thina sonke ke sihlangene sithokoza kakhulu uNkulunkulu usithandile lesizwe sakwaZulu abanye masihamba emhlabeni baye masihamba lapha endaweni zasemhlabeni baye bethu uZulu uIsrael waseAfrika ngakho ngayibukela phansi nangelodi ilanga nibakhulu kabi makho sonke aseAfrika they want to bow down in front of you masikebisa amakhanda uNkulunkulu baba Thixo Somandla siyakubonga ekseni nje nakuba sesinikeza ithuba lokuthi sikhumbule isilo owawusinikeze sona isilo uMdlokombane siyakubonga amandla walethile ku-Sivananda Peace Foundation ukuba lolu suku luze lingakhohlakali emlandweni wakwaZulu ukuthi saba nenkosi owasinika yona thina njengoZulu iminyaka ebalelwa ku-50 uNkulunkulu uThixo Somandla lo suku namhlanje libusise egameni likayise nendodana ngoyingcwele amen.
May we all have the moment of silence in an honor of the King Zwelithini kaGoldthini kaZwelithini kaBhekuzulu uMdlokombane. Moment of prayer. Siyabonga. Ubaba uKhabazela kunehubo okuthiwa ucela akubeke lona lihamba nayo phambili. Dlunkulu. Siyaxolisa sicela ukuhumusha umkhuleko lapho sikhuleka sihlonipha uMdlokombane sikhuleka ngosibuthule. Ngiyaxolisa Dlunkulu. Siyabonga. Kabazela.
Wena wendlovu. Wena wendlovu. Bayede. Wena wendlondle lophaphe ekhanda kamezi indaba lomuntu emese engathi uyakhalwalila uthi igoli kajama lichithekile lichithwe ingqolo endala nyakithi amalandela ube lesibindi buthelezi ngokhuthazalela umntakandaba bemthuko bemcofula bethi uzolithini kakubusa bethi kakubankosi kalamkhofu uthempepho nyakithi amalandela usodidase inkwencele kandaba edidema ibala umaphikela wensizwa ophila amadoda kwaZulu esephele ngamandla umaphokophela lobenga insizwa ezininginikana engabende bezingwe nobenza ngonyama ogijeme ngandlelande yebe ngalomfifi ekadada kunohlahle Mandebeleni wathi nani Mandebele nyokukandelile ngenabona izinyane ngelesilo sikandaba wayihlambe isandla ngamakhanda amadoda wathola umhlabanela bewagcwala ifundazo mfula sonkana esinye somkhuze esinye sothukela hathi nani magunda nahlala ikhothela nongoma gijimela kanjalo sonkana nyobekela bangakezwa ithi likhululezela nyelela silifasela endlovu emnyama ngiyasobhalula izoshisa izikhotha nezakwanongoma inkonyana encane kandaba ekhole phezulu egazini babethoyise noyise mkhulu hawu ungasithanda uyahlola kanti bona bahlolayo indule bathe ngodonga kwabheka uZulu imvukuzane kandaba efungusa ubusuku ibone omame waseMandebeleni beja nodlaba kayise phuma esiqinwe ndaba kanti bekufanela ungalesini kagabela kayilingananga nezawuyise babethi baseluleza ukuzigqonzana kuphela ezinqulweni kanti yakho umuntu kandaba indiyashavu ngokutepitoli kwazamazam MEC Botha indlovene yabantu abamhlophe belungu umgudo bovu obheke edlunkulu nongoma yehla idlunkulu enyukanyuka ngebhasi lamatimate kaZansi eledwa ledukwa beyoginqithupha epitoli bendaba ngeke ubuse ngoba akaqini qasala uCome sengwayifiyo uzehloko bethandwa sibawu sukwedusa umntamndaba nyakhulelwa woflathela bambula phindika khuluma isulu uthwethe emabhulini kwaZulu ubhuda benogwashakwasha bethi zeke lesingomntandaba uyikhe emakhaleni kayisaluswa ngwena sesaluswa indlondlo ngiyakithwakethe omthandayo umthululu kofuthwe ngenalo edlini kokathayisa mhlophane vukume ngentabudla amadoda nalolo bhotho econsa socijile umagwazo shayiza ququ imbe eqathe omatha ngetshitshi obezola umaswabhule lapho kwamgilije emayashini weqeda ngesinqa obesebongela thola idlolo edlunkulu sihlangu simagqapha ebesinemanxeba esagudla ivuna umntakandaba ngiyesa umbisa ngegama ngoba umuntu abakula ngakazi inkosi lena nyakithi naleni ishawude ushampion uMahlanzi Phondaba umthele kaJambo Shabusamila wasele edlunkulu wadushiye umvele kwaliphesheya mzaxosi khoma mangwana usejani mafesheya sizeke umntakandaba uyoqoqela ukune indidandi dande edidethe insuku enganamhlo kandaba uyakubuya phesheya uzulokeka nedlunkulu bebhenga kusasa inkosi sifika izolo indaba ethwa ngutolaga ngoba mhlophe belungu ovula imgoqwana evale ngamadoda amabili yayivale okuthuzi lomhlophe belo JJ Bushofu ngoba mhlophe belungu izwe ephumliwe ngamaswi abayophule ngamahlahla obosoengqokonqoko yakithi amagenqa yilo lenzeke eThekwini abagusela ibhono zakondaba iqapheli zakhipha eVandabeni ushilise kwelemaholo lemhlaba lombhedula uzabe nonhleko esiganekisweni kwathi imbekelo basibuke enyangeni zasosuthu zobaphulela umhlahlozi balokiphu bese limthendeli kandaba idlule shiliza phakathi kwendaba embili kwelemasilo nelimasilonyana belaseFlestata waqhumaqhuma kanye obezolacebe khulu wathi ngelakithi besemayashini lalithi lento abasepitoli liphelezo lo minister sodaga igugelihle yebokakekana wambe sibuka ngalo ebheke entabeni zasemamelodi uJaqabula umntakandaba wamdaxabula ukuka wakhe kuphekela mhlahlandlelo ngamakhosi yeba ngakompanthe ngakocetshwayo bethi umntakandaba unyawusihle ezakwe sayingakhethi imabala sayinyathela bongazi nyathele khona ngisheza oyise nezawoyise emkhulu yababheka amagede avuleka simone ngamahambe ngenapasi ngenapassport samethuke sengaphakathi eSwazini samkhethela ingane zanganobamba zathi thatha ndaba nakumqamelo wakho soqamela ngawe naleni unopunyapu inkosi abadonse ngadlebende yaphunyula oyise obevalela ngamahlahla bethi umntakandaba uzungalwela uphongolo ngoba ufuda ese ngesizwe sakho singakhona kwela kangwana inkosi ethembele ehlathini amayakho ejobele ezindlini yayikhipha inkomo zedla ngholoko zibheke kwamshanela wagijima uqholobane obazolo emankanyaneni wafuka abekela umzweli umzwelo ayihudela kwamanzi ibheshe sehle senyuka umfula kandaba ungenise kabi ungenise wenyukela emifuna ungenise ibheke ezantsi undaba omhlelona ohlasele ngothando lokwandisa abakamthaniya abayebehlasela ngama AK47 nakho lapho ngemthanda khona kandaba imthando esehlasela ngothando kwabakangwane kwazi kwanqundeka ikhalse ngwavuma wena wendlovu wena wendlovu bayethe
siyabonga kakhulu sicela ukuqhubekela phambili kusenomdlokombane khona lapha engangike ngisho njalo ukuthi kuyaye kungabulula ukuphatha ubuhlelo la kusuke kushisa ngapho ugcina udideka akukulula impela nje ebukhosini obukhona ugcina ungazi ukuthi ukwenza kanjani sicela nje ukwelulekeke nalapho mhlambe sigcoba khona mhlambe selulekeke kakhulu. I would also like to invite on stage to someone who can welcome do remarks by Zululand Yacht Club, Commodore Kirsten Shuda. Kindly invite you on stage. Siyabonga simamukele ngehlombe.
Thank you, sir. Welcome to the Zululand Yacht Club. In particular, I would like to thank Her Royal Highness Queen Nompulelelo Zulu. Madam Queen, thank you for gracing us with your presence. It's a pleasure to meet you. And this morning you are our newest honorary member at the Yacht Club. We are very privileged to include you in that list of honorary members. Also, the rest of the royal family who are present, dignified guests, and please forgive me, I haven't got that full list. I'm going to ask my friend Prince Ishwar to run through the details of that list. And I'm at that age where I start to forget names in any case. I know he's got a complete list, so please forgive me for that. Also, past Commodores, thank you for attending the function. The beautiful dancers on my starboard side, gentlemen there, most of them have been on my boat for the sail pass. Thank you very much for your presence. Members of the Zululand Yacht Club and public who are present, thank you very much for all sharing this beautiful day. I just want to say, our ancestors at the Yacht Club, the people, the founder members of this Yacht Club, they didn't call this the Meerensee Yacht Club. They didn't call it Richards Bay Yacht Club. They called it Zululand Yacht Club because we are proud to be associated with the Zulu nation, and we are proud to be associated with the Zulu royal family. I personally had the privilege of meeting King Goodwill Zwelithini, and what a fantastic, humble, beautiful person. I'm very glad to say I've had the privilege of meeting him, and I'm glad to see that the royal family is staying in touch with the Yacht Club. This is your Yacht Club, madam. Please come and use it. Bring your kids, bring your grandchildren, bring everybody here and come and enjoy this Yacht Club. You saw the beautiful boats, small sailing boats. We got them yesterday all the way from Eastern Cape. Brand new boats, and we'd like to see youngsters sailing in those brand new beautiful boats. Please bring the kids here. We've got a fantastic young lady, Duru Masondo, who is our chief instructor here at the Yacht Club, and she loves nothing more than teaching youngsters to sail. So bring them across. Then for the rest of the day, we thank the weather gods as well for this beautiful sunny day. We all know there's a cyclone in the Mozambican Channel. Maybe it will hit us next week, maybe it won't. So as for the moment, we appreciate the good conditions, and I would like all of you to enjoy the Zululand Yacht Club. And remember, this is the Zululand Yacht Club, and we are very proud to be associated with the Zulu nation and the Zulu royal family. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Cela simshayele ihlombe, a round of applause. Wenkonyane kanta azumkhonto. Wenkonyane kanta azumkhonto. Wenkonyane kanta azumkhonto. Wenkonyane kanta azumkhonto. Wenkonyane kanta. Wenkonyane kanta. Wenkonyane kanta. Wenkonyane kanta. Bengisacela ukuntroduce stage utate wethu usine uyena olandelayo uzoperformela. Siyabonga.
Sanibonani, igama lami ngisinezungu, and the song is called Beautiful Light. Sorry about that. Wangbiza ngasabela, wangbiza baba ngasabela, wangbiza ngasabela, wangbiza baba ngasabela. Ufuna ukuskipha zonke ingoma zika baba, ufuna ukungishada ngazi ngenze njani. Mina ngiyamthanda kodwa ngiyasaba, angoba amasiko ethu ahlukene. Wangbiza ngasabela, wangbiza baba ngasabela, wangbiza ngasabela, wangbiza baba ngasabela. Nangumlungu omnyama ngiphazamisa amadoda, nangumlungu omnyama ngiphazamisa amadoda, nangumlungu omnyama ngiphazamisa amadoda, nangumlungu omnyama ngiphazamisa amadoda. Ufuna ukuskipha zonke ingoma zika baba, ufuna ukungishada ngazi ngenze njani. Mina ngiyamthanda kodwa ngiyasaba, angoba amasiko wethu ahluke. Boza nangumlungu omnyama, nangumlungu omnyama, nangumlungu omnyama, maye baba. Boza 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 boza. Awema nosis manga madoda, kodwa ngizoyisinile, ngiyakuza ngiyababaza, kodwa ngizofika ngithini ekhaya webabo. Yehlelwa yini intombi ngemanzini madoda, ngizoyimeka ngithini le ndaba kusingwayo. Awu sebeyoxola kodwa phela nabo, ngoba impela ngiyazifela ngalo mntwana omuntu. Boss bossa bossa nisasekhona, ngiyaxolisa ngokwenzakalayo. Insizwa elungela ukugijimisa igazi layo, hliziyo mamatheka. Awensizwa ungibambe mano nini dali, ukugijimisa igazi lami, hliziyo mamatheka. Awesami awuze ngikuxoxela indaba, usuku lokuqala ngikubona wayithatha inhliziyo yami. Ngahluleka ukuzibamba, wayitshontsha ingqondo yami. Ngakhohlwa imicabango yami. Bheka manje mina nawe la, sihleli sijabule nje. Woza kungathi kungaba nje naphakade. Awensizwa ungibambe mano nini dali, ukugijimisa igazi lami, hliziyo mamatheka. Awensizwa ungibambe mano nini dali, ukugijimisa igazi lami, hliziyo mamatheka. mamatheka aw sithando sami ngiyabonga ngiyabonga hey 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 kothando onginike lona usukela ekuqaleni kuze kube inamhlanje phela manje mina nawe la sihleli sijabule nje sesicula sonke angithi woza awensizwa ungibambe manonini ugijimise igazi lami Ezeya theka so ungibambe manonini dale ugijimise igazi lami Ezeya mama theka ungibambe manonini dale ugijimise igazi lami Ezeya mama theka ungibambe manonini ugijimise igazi lami Ezeya mama theka. Hello, thank you.
Ngicela simshayele ihlombe kakhulu. Ngicela simshayele ihlombe kakhulu. Siyabonga usine, siyabonga kakhulu. Bengisacela ukumema estage ubaba uMadhoka eze ngaphambili. Simshayele ihlombe seze ngaphambili.
Wena wendlovu bayede sila sikhulu Bethan Phuma Siqiwini Zulwele phezulu bayede siyakhuleka Ndlokombane namhlanje sihlangana nayiNdlunkulu oNkangikhosi. We're very humbled to have Her Royal Highness Ndlunkulu Wasenyogeni with us today on this historic day when we come together as a nation and as subjects of His Majesty Ndlokombane. Siyakhumbula isilo namhlanje. I greet Professor Kulu, Mama Mate from the SAPS, the Commodore of the Zululand Yacht Club, Davizita Inkosi Sizwe, who is with us today, Inkosi Mtembu Wasesomopo, Dr. Fagazi, Prince Jablani Zulu, who's also with us today. We also acknowledge the presence of Prince Tulani Zulu, Mrs. Bindini. We also acknowledge Michelle Banwell from the Zululand Yacht Club, the past Commodore, Mrs. Jackie Smith. Today is very historic because we have come together to pay tribute to His Majesty. The main focus was the sail past in honor of Ndlokombane today, which you all have witnessed. Some of you have participated. And this is the second sail past in honor of His Majesty. And how befitting, because we had Transnet, the Ports Authority that were present, the NSRI, Zululand Yacht Club, all the yachties that rallied behind and made sure that this event be a success in honor of a great king that walked the soil in the kingdom of KwaZulu and South Africa at large. He has made a tremendous mark in the history of our lives. We're quite fortunate as the current generation to have seen His Majesty and have seen what he yearned for, this oneness of people. And today we are gathered here as this oneness, what he wished for. He always wanted people to live in harmony, people to have a better life, especially in the rural communities. So I congratulate the Zululand Yacht Club for the Little for Tokens program, where they're empowering almost over 1,200 youngsters in the rural areas through Little for Tokens, and who are having some sort of employment during these tough times that our country is going through. We need more to come on board to help the poor and to encourage development amongst all. And also with the fishing competition that takes place here, Morgan and your team, we thank you for that, because it brings people to come together. And also Dudu, that heads up the sailing aspect here at the Zululand Yacht Club, development sailing. This is phenomenal, because when you encourage people to develop themselves in such a sport that never existed before amongst the black community, we want to say thank you for giving the rural communities this opportunity and developing them to sail. In Ndlunkulu, I think this sport needs to be taken at every level in our communities, because we have so much of drownings also. So these programs can benefit our communities. We just seen at Nseleni at the dam, so many of them lost their lives just because they couldn't swim. And we need to engage the experts on this to teach our communities. We have so much of cultural activities today, but I want to say that Ndlongomban's legacy will live forever, because every person, wherever they are, wherever they have been touched by his life, they know better what he stood for and what he wanted. So I urge everyone, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, create some positivity around you, help one another, build a society around you. Because unless we do that, then only we'll be able to serve one another. My master Sri Swami Shivananda, who always said service to humanity is worship of God. Unless you help your fellow beings and educate them, you can give them a plate of food today, tomorrow they will require another plate of food. But give them education and they will better the entire world. So we have a lot of academics amongst us. Let us share this knowledge amongst everyone, because I'm speaking what Ndlongomban wanted. This is what he wanted, to develop his people of the land. And this is my short message today. I want to thank the media for being here, the Zululand Observer, always carrying Ndlongomban's legacy. Keep it up, and say to Mrs. Reg Anthony that we thank her for all these years promoting the Zulu monarch and His Majesty's work through the Zululand Observer, and also 1KZN TV for always having Ndlongomban's legacy aired on Ebukhosini. It is our duty to say thank you, because you have made the nation understand who Ndlongomban was and who he is and who he will be in the hearts of everyone to change society. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Wena wendlovu. Wena wendlovu. Bayede. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the privilege and honor to invite Her Royal Highness Ndlunkulu to say a few words and to greet you. Ndlunkulu is an academic, is a principal. She served children in the Osutu area. So she knows what development is, and we'd like to hear Ndlunkulu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Mabheka. To Sivananda World Peace Foundation, Zululand Youth Club, all the members. Siyabonga Xhapashe, Professor Xulu, for the word that has opened this function. Dr. Ufakazi, siyathokoza kakhulu bakhona. Abantwana baseNdlunkulu esihamba nabo kulo mcimbi. Ngiyathokoza emabuthweni azofakaza ukuthi bekuyinkosi le ebiqoqa amabutho. Ngiyabonga weyimbali zesizwe. Weyintombi. 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 Weyihleli phansi, zithi shi, ihleli phansi. Hayi kulungile. Kodwa ke nisazotelepela, ngizonibona senitelepela. Siyabingelela wonke umphakathi okhona phakathi kwethu. Siyathokoza kakhulu ukuthi sibe nalolu suku lokukhumbula uBayede uMdlokombane lapho kwahlwe emini khona. Abantu abaningi abakholwa namanje abakakholwa abanye. Basabuka ukuthi ngempela ungabe yikho yini lokhu. Asikakholwa sonke, asikemukeli futhi kusazothatha isikhathi. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu ke kanye nathi uzosipha amandla. I would like to extend a word of gratitude to Zululand Youth Club for honoring me with the membership in the club. I welcome and accept the honorary membership that is bestowed this morning. Thank you very much. I will make use of the opportunity that is availed to me personally and the family. As a mother of the nation, I have a huge family. It means it won't be the Zulu family only. As Mabheka has said, that I'm the principal of the school. The first and foremost, I'm going to afford my little ones to visit and see the harbor and see the yacht, because we're talking abstract. If you are in Nongoma talking about the sea, talking about the yacht, then I have to make some trips coming here. But I will have a strategy for those who are performing and doing their best, passing with the fly colors. I will make as an incentive for them to afford them an opportunity to accompany me when I come to the yacht. I think Mr. Schroeder, you are going to spare some lessons, especially for me first, because I can't swim. I'm the first one who's going to drown when I come here. I hope that I'm going to achieve that this year, since I've got an opportunity today that I'm bestowed the membership, honorary membership. Thank you very much for acknowledging that we had a king. As your patron, King Zwelithini was the patron of the Zululand Yacht Club. And the Yacht Club members came to the palace to be with His Majesty during Diwali. We had a good time that time. We just missed an opportunity to come and cruise with His Majesty here and have a wonderful time. Because of his busy schedule, we couldn't do so. But we are going to take the baton forward and run with it for the King Zwelithini legacy. There is a lot that you are doing which is going to be benefiting our kingdom and the monarch going forward, taking from what he has done over the period of 50 years that the king lived with us on the throne, and even now his spirit we can feel that he's amongst us. We are here today. I was saying to the praise singer, he must do the praises because we are evoking the spirit of His Majesty the King. His peaceful spirit must be with us. His development spirit must be with us. We must take that with and go forward. Thank you very much for today. Siyabonga kakhulu lolu suku. Sizobona neintombi seyitelepela. Siyajabulela kakhulu. And it happened that I am the champion from the Queens. We were given the district. I'm champion of King Cetshwayo and Umkhanyakude. This is my home, away from home. Thank you very much.
Basicela intombi zitelepele. Cela ninikeze ithuba isikhathi sazo njengamanje.
sabazi ingane zakhe sicobezela nje kanjena uyena wafika sigona sinoMabheka. Ngithathele ithuba ukuthi ngibingelele Professor Uxulu, amakhosi asendlunkulu akhona la, abantwana basendlunkulu abakhona phakathi kwethu, abaphathi beZululand Yash Club abakhona, ngibonile ikhulu zakhona zikhona la, kanye nezikebhe kasitanta ngazo emanzini emkhunjini sizitatanyiswa. Kodwa namhlanje ngibingelele nasemaphoyiseni ndodakazi wami uMabuthelezi waseluthela lapha na uzalo omunye umzalwane esinaye lapho, ndodakazi ke wami mina uyazi ngoba wakhe wabuThelezi kodwa ubaba wakhe mina uyazi yena. Ngabuzi kokunye mayethe nje ubaba lo usana ubuza ukuthi wena usuba wabuThelezi ngoba wenhluphe kabi umuntu mayisesho ukuthi ingane yakhe le sulokhu ubuza izinto eziningi engakudingi. Sibonge kakhulu ukuthi intombi eyikhona la, amabutho akhona la, amaNazaretha akhona la, engazi ukuthi asezokwenza into yawo kulomsebenzi namhlanje uzokhumbula uhlanga lomhlabathi. Namhlanje ngathi iphupho, umuntu uyaphuphwa leli zilisho iculo lamaluthela lisithi awu siyoba ngabaphuphayo impela uma kwesinye isikhathi sibona Mabheka lo msebenzi Sivananda World Peace Foundation owenzayo ukube impela imali iyabuthwa. Ngiyazi ukuthi awukwenzi ngemali kodwa uthando nokukhombisa ukuthi ubayede kwakumuntu kuyisilo esehlukile ukuba ubayede nje ukhona futhi umoya wakhe engikholwa ukuthi uyavunguza la kuthina uyahamba ngoba ispirit sumoya siyohlala sikhona. Sibonga ngendlela siyathokoza empeleni ngoba ukubonga kwakuzithakazelo kwakuyidlaliso sakhe isilo yikho kwaZulu kuthiwa nje siyathobeka siyathokoza ngoba kwesinye isikhathi sasuke kuhlonipha umdlokombane. Lento ke Mabheka oyenzile noqhubeka futhi uyenza kumisa nothando ubayede uthando wayinalo ngabantu bakhe uma iseshe abantu bakababa ekusho ekujuleni kwenhliziyo enhlizweni yakhe. Engisho ukuthi Mabheka nendlunkulu yonke, ndlunkulu uMamchiza, siyafisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu eyimene zonke ikhona kodwa kube uNkulunkulu akhombisa indlela nobayede ayikhombisa indlela. Ebeke ngoba ubayede wayehlala njalo emeqinisweni. Ubayede ubengathengeki. Usho ngaba nemali engakanani kodwa uma ubayede iqiniso ethi nali iqiniso lapha limikhona waye manje ngeqiniso nothando ubayede into ayinayo. Awu Mabheka muzi wakwethu nonke nikhona lana ngiyanithathela isikhathi nonke. Hey mina kufana nephupho lokho engibona kwenzeka namhlanje Mabheka. Ngiyabonga siyathokoza kakhulu siyathobeka kakhulu uqhubeke nokwenza sengathi ke bonke lento iqhubeka sengathi ngoba into yaminyaka yonke kube into enkulu ingagcini futhi la eRichards Bay. Sihambele nakuzo zonke indawo sitshala umoya wokuthula ngoba ukuthula uJehova wathi uJesu Kristu wathi ukuthula ngoshiya nani, ukuthula nginipha nina. Ngakho singathi ke nathi ngasipho ukuthula sibe nokuthula enhlizweni zethu. Singapoki kunabantu abanye othi uyahamba uthothi umuntu uyapoka kanti kudala wafa enhlizweni. Thina sitshala ukuthula kube nokuthula. uJehova ungenzela konke okuhle. Ngiyinkhumbulo masisho njalo ubayede ethi ungenzela konke okuhle. Lo msebenzi omhle kangaka muhle ubuyifikisela nenyembezi nobuhle obukhona. Qhubeka Mabheka, qhubeka sokuseka. Ngiyacela nje wonke abantu simiseke le ndoda ekhombisa uthando. Ume njalo wena weqhawe, wena wesilo, wena wendlovu. Wena wendlovu. Bayede. Siyathokoza.
Siyathokoza. Bangisacela omama cela beze omama baze ngaphambili abamba bamaNazaretha beze ngaphambili siyabonga. Gigiza mama konke kumnandi kuzeya gigiza. Siyabonga kakhulu komama bethu. Besacela udadewethu uSne eze ngaphambili ezoshaya iculo lakhe nje lokugcina eze ngapha ngaphambili. Emveni kwalokho kuba ivote of thanks by ubaba uMabheka.
Leli culo, el culo, la bayete, and it's called Isililo Sesizwe. Bayete, isizwe sonke siyalila. Bayete, isizwe sonke siyalila. The song can siyalila. Bayete, this is a song can siyalila. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fumeskiwini bayete Shangana mshavati Konya nengane gandabara Wachane fumeskiwini bayete Osibu Vile yisise Waba yantiga yesu Waba yantiga yesu Onshope nomnyama kwa fana Siyabonga kuwenda bezita Bayete, this is a song that siyalila. Bayete, this is a song that siyalila. Bayete, this is a song that siyalila. Bayete, this is a song que siyalila. Esizwe sisebumnyameni kanyisa kanyisa. Esizwe sisebumnyameni kanyisa kanyisa. Ngobuhlakani bakho wanoba yesitha soqheke ko bayete zulanya bayete isizwe sonke siyalila. Bayete isizwe sonke siyalila. Yeah. Thank you very much, Ngiyabonga.
Cela simshaya ihlombe elikhulu kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. Bengicela ukucela ubaba uMabheka eze ngaphambili esho amazwi okubonga.
Ngiyabonga phakathi kwayo. Ladies and gentlemen, Ndlunkulu, we have come to the end of today's program, and we want to say a very big thank you, firstly, to Ndlunkulu Mamkeza. Really, we are very honored to have you with us today. We know you don't, since Baete's demise, you never traveled anywhere, you never attended much, but you are here with us today. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Ndlunkulu. Siyathulela igusha Ndlunkulu namhlanje. Ndlunkulu, we, as the subjects of Ndlongomban, we say to you, go on with the legacy of Ndlongomban. The nation yearns the teachings of Ndlongomban. We want to say a big thank you to the Zululand Yacht Club for always giving their support in promoting His Majesty and the Zulu monarch and the Zulu nation. We say a very big thank you to you, and a thank you to the Commodore for spearheading so many approvals to get today's event in order on the waters. We say to the Yacht Club, very big thank you for that. We also say a big thank you to Transnet, the Ports Authority, NSRI, and all the yachties that have supported us today, providing your yachts, and also all those in the dinghies, Gugu and team, for ensuring that today's event is a success. Thank you very much. Amabutho, ngiyabonga kakhulu, amaNazaretha ukhona, imbali yesizwe, isiZulu uthi siyathokoza. And I must say that, you know, over the years, Ndlongomban, with Amabutho and Imbali Yesizwe, was very close to his heart, because it promoted the Zuluness. And keep it up, because this is what I never seen anyone bring in so many young girls and men to in one arena to promote culture. And such was His Majesty. We can go on and on and on and on and on and on. Professor Kulu from the university, and being with all the academics, you will know what Ndlongomban stood for when it comes to culture. You've also been in the cultural department in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. You'll know what I'm speaking about. So, with my thanks today, I urge all of you, please propagate the teachings of Ndlongomban, because he promoted peace, unity. He didn't want us to have racial tensions. Today we have racial tensions. We see so much of strikes. There's no development for the people. I leave it to you to create that, what Ndlongomban wanted. And we thank also Mpagati Yonke that have come here today. we look forward to the one next year, and let us pray and ask God for guidance in every step, because that's what Ndlongomban did. Every step of the way, everything he did, he invoked the Lord's presence. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you very much. Inhlunkulu.
sanibonani besihamba intombi besathanda bethe angicele kakhulu ukuthi laphayana khona phakathi kosuka khona bacele mhlawumbe ukuthi kuye khona kuyothola kuya ngasethenjini.